on this episode of Doorbell News.
What's up, bro?
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Carson, California. Check her out. Orem, Utah.
Whoa-y.
We got any pet moms in here?
Where are you? Whoa-y. Where are you?
Oakland, California. Another doorknob wiggler. Make sure you keep those doors locked. That's definitely not my mom. She looks pretty lost. Las Vegas, Nevada. Better keep those back sliding doors locked also. This guy walks right inside someone's house. A neighbor shared this video of this person who apparently likes the smell of shoes.
Right here, bro. Here it is, bro. You said 150 this time, right? Yep. Are you good? You good? This man tripping, man. This man paying me for my shoes. What the f? Yeah, bro. I gotta go to work in a minute. You done? You said 150, huh? Mm-hmm. Just Apple Pay to me. You got my number. All right. Man, it's the easiest one I ever made.
Yeah, that was strange. Anchorage, Alaska. Looks like it could be somebody's mom.
Your house is on. Reach me at the next phone number that appears on your screen.
She kind of looks like that lady from that movie Misery.
Don't bring your ring.
Get lost! Meanwhile in Miami. And never let anyone get the best of you. Meanwhile in Orem.
You see me, I see you, baby. Oh, you're so cute. Rosie, you're so cute.
St. Louis, Missouri. Looks like they tried to throw down the spike strip, but it didn't work this time. Shreveport, Louisiana. Looks like a pretty big rat. Yeah, that's no mouse. That's definitely a rat. Tucson, Arizona. So this woman decides to just walk inside of this homeowner's house.
They're all you. Shut up. That's what's happening.
What would you do? St. Louis, Missouri.
Your name neighbor left me outside. I need to ride home to my mother's house.
This ain't your mom's house.
Can you give me a ride, or can you tell me to f*** off?
Get lost!
Because I literally have a shirt from the impound lot of my dog, and your child was acting like a and told me to come over here.
Memphis, Tennessee. A neighbor catches this porch pirate in this red truck in action. Let's see what happens.
What's up, bro?
Lakewood, California. This neighbor shared this footage of a raccoon that's been living under his house. Tacoma, Washington. Hey, that's for the dog, buddy. Wow, he just drunk the dog water. That water's for the dogs and cats and local animals.
Aww.
Meanwhile, in
You
Orem.
hear me? So cute. Come on in the house. Come on in. Come in the house. Be a good girl. Come in.
Oh, look at high class security systems.
Buffalo, New York.
Look who's knocking at the door. Look who's knocking at your door. Open the door, let me in. Do me a favor, open the door, let me in. I want to know if this is Bobby Morton's truck, alias Michael. That's what we wanted to know. At 8 Weston Street, Bobby Morton, Nancy, and the Ford pickup truck. Yeah, it looks like a conspiracy to me. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see who wins. Teal House. Teal. Yeah, we'll see who the real Jesus Christ is, won't we, Ford? Yeah, we'll find out.
Washington, D.C.
Hey, officer! Hey! Officer! Officer! There he is right there, officer! He's down! Pull the curtain! Pull the curtain! He's coming to the house! He's coming toward you.
Meanwhile, in Buffalo, check them out. We got a Bonnie and Clyde duo here.
Shut up, fucking. Huh?
Meanwhile, in Orem.
Rosie, get in the house. Come on, get in the house. Come on.
The dog finally decides to come inside of the house.
Come on.
Make sure you thumbs up this video. And make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Doorbell News Crime Watch. Coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.